Hello and welcome to the Java upgrade, which is an optional upgrade for this is a GoAnywhere Windows environment. When we upgrade Java, we're replacing the existing version, in this case Java 11, to the latest release provided by, in this case, Azul. But you can do this with other Java providers like Oracle. So the first thing we want to do is see if we're on the latest version of Java. So we can go to Help and About. And we're going to look for, in the system info, we're going to find the Java home. The Java home is in our install directory right there. And we're looking for the Java version. And the Java version is right there. So as of this video release, 11.028 is a newer version of Java. And we want to keep that as up to date in the 11 series as we can. So we're going to download that from Azul and replace it. So I've got that noted. I've got 11.020, and I also need to check if I'm on FIPS mode. If FIPS mode is true, there's a section at the end we have to go through. If you have a SQL database and FIPS mode is true, there's a security file adjustment we've got to make. If not, don't worry about that very last step in the upgrade of Java. Okay, so we're going to go to the Azul site, and in Azul, we're going to pick our Java 11 as our parent build. And we're going to take this 28.6 and we're going to do a 64-bit implementation. So we're going to download the zip file from Azul. It should populate shortly. And we're going to go to our downloads. So we found the latest Java build and we're going to extract the zip file. Once that's extracted, we're going to stop GoAnywhere. This does require a downtime, so make sure you're in a maintenance window. The reason is it doesn't let you adjust any kind of Java settings while GoAnywhere started, so I'm going to stop GoAnywhere. All right, now I want to go to my install directory, C, Program Files, Fortran, GoAnywhere, JRE, and I'm going to rename the existing JRE to a JRE 11 folder. So I'm just going to come in here and do some old implementations. We're going to rename this to JRE 11. Inside here we have the existing JRE 11. But we're going to create a new folder called JRE, because that's what GoAnywhere is looking for. And we're going to have a JRE in this folder. And we're going to copy all those extracted files from the downloads into the JRE directory. Let's make sure we've got the downloads open. And we're just going to take everything in this directory here, and we're going to copy it into the JRE folder we just created. Now, if you're using integrated security, there is a JDBC auth DLL. It has to do with your GoAnywhere. If you're using a SQL Server, it has to do with that driver and integrated security. So that goes into the JRE bin. And that would go in here, this MS SQL JDBC auth DLL. If you did the upgrade video, or if you already did this, then you would have it also in that JRE 11 folder we created. So if you look back inside of JRE, we created a JRE and a JRE 11. Remember, JRE 11 has your old settings, so you could copy that particular, excuse me, that auth DLL out of the bin directory. That's all there is to it. Now, if you have FIPS mode, we're going to go through that, but I'm going to start this real quick. If you don't have FIPS mode, we're going to have to copy this line from your old Java security into the new Java security. There's a little different path. The old one was JRE lib security Java security. The new one is JRE config or conf security Java security. So you can look in the old JRE 11 folder for this line and copy and paste it into the new JRE folder, which has the 11.028 in it. So now this is running. We're going to sign back in to GoAnywhere. We're just going to refresh and sign back in. And now we're on 11.028. So it is a good idea to upgrade your JRE at the same time you upgrade the application, and that is how you perform that upgrade. Thank you.